Oh, good morning, everybody. Captain Namco here. We're getting ready to do a cold start video here on our lawnmower. I gotta finish mowing that back yonder, and the yard will be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this unlocked, so when I need to get gas, I can get it. We'll see if the motor still starts on its own, or if I'm gonna have to prime the carburetor again. All right, here we go. Most likely, I'm probably gonna have to prime the darn thing again. We'll see. Right now, it is 55 degrees outside, so